Yesterday, we saw mortgage rates start moving lower early in the day. However, that reversed directions, and the rest of the day, mortgage rates moved higher. I'll tell you what caused this move in just a minute. Hello, this is David Lykken. Welcome to today's Mortgage Minute, where we promote responsible home ownership through information and education. Yesterday, we started the day off with the New York Empire State Index number coming in at a disappointing 7.8 versus the 9.5 anticipated. Now, the previous month's report was 9.9, so 9.9 to the anticipated 9.5 would have been down, but the fact that it came in at 7.8 was a big disappointment, and on that news, mortgage rates started moving lower. Again, bad news has a tendency to move mortgage rates lower. Or I should say, disappointing economic news causes rates to move lower. Now, we also received the National Association of Home Builders survey. That also came in at 55 versus the 58 that was expected. Now, keep in mind, any number that's better than 50 is still a positive number. So the Home Builders Association number, while it's a disappointment, is still positive. Today, we have housing starts expected to come in at 1,070,000. We have the Producer Price Index numbers. We have two indexes coming out today on that. But the big news will be the FOMC meeting minutes that will be released this afternoon at 2 p.m. Eastern Time. We'll be paying close attention to what the Feds think and feel about the latest economic news. Again, a lot of this latest economic news has been coming in mixed. So how will it impact mortgage rates? Well, be sure to come back here tomorrow. I'll tell you. Good to be with you. Thank you.